Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to put together the Kreator Kit LED Softbox. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just open up your softbox, push down this center ring onto this LED bulb mount until it clicks in and it's nice and flush. Then we're just going to place our softbox mount over our provided light stand and then just screw it in until it's nice and tight. Then what you're going to do is grab your provided light globe and just screw it into your softbox. Last step, we grab our softbox diffuser cover and we just slip it over each corner, like so. And then just seal it with the Velcro tabs on all four sides. And there you have it, you've got a softbox.